Hello, my dear students. Hope you all are doing fine. Welcome back to Love Thy RCs. This is the series in which we discuss a lot of RCs taken from various sources with a diverse range of questions, and together we try to solve these RCs in the बेस्ट वे पॉसिबल है ना एफर्टलेसली जिसको कहते हैं चलो सो दीज रूल्स स्टे द सेम प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द मेन आइडिया आई कीप सेइंग दिस वेरी ऑफन एंड I cannot enough emphasize the importance of this. It is absolutely imperative for you to identify the main idea which is there either in the first or the last para. Main idea bole to why is he writing this passage, what is the essence, what is the crux. Okay, main idea एक बार अगर clear है तो बहुत सारी चीजें आसान हो जाती हैं. ओके बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आसान हो जाएंगे, आपकी लव लाइफ आसान नहीं होगी उससे. ओके नाउ दिस इज द पैसेज. देखते हैं चलिए हाउ वी कैन सॉल्व इट टुगेदर. 2 पैराग्राफ्स किस बारे में है? अबॉर्शन. रुक जाइए 1 मिनट. Abortion remains abortion, abortion. Okay, so this is the first step. Like I just try to find out what the passage is all about. Okay, abortion, contentious issues. A debate issue, ठीक है? So these prohibitions, अच्छा, the contemporary debate, you see. So abortion rights का debate. All right, ये है passage. 5 paragraphs. Okay, 6 paragraphs. So this is the 6th para. This is the 5th para. Okay. Now I haven't read it yet. साथ पढ़ेंगे हम. Organized reading करेंगे हम with a little bit of skimming and skipping and scanning. But then before that we need to find out what type of questions there are. Because once you look at the questions आसानी हो जाती है when you're reading your passage. याद रहता है यहाँ पे ये point है, यहाँ पे ये point है. देखते हैं चलिए. So which of the following best captures the lovely main idea? This is my favorite question type. अब इसको तो मैं सबसे पहले करूंगी. All right. Then the passage mentions the anti-abortion campaign's ties to immigration fears in the US. Okay. What can be inferred about the motivations behind early abortion restrictions? So this is inference, but para specific. So this is going to be easy. If you have a little bit of vocabulary, you can rephrase. Okay. Lucar's findings about the contrasting worldviews of pro-life and pro-choice activists suggest that. Very specific. Inference, right? Lucar पे जाना है, Lucar का point निकालना है. Then suppose a country with declining birth rate. Suppose बोलते ही I am like क्या ये application question है? Okay. Suppose a country with declining birth rates grants women greater abortion access citing individual freedom. Oh, I need to go and check the portion where individual freedom is mentioned. All right. Based on the passage, which of the following would best explain such a move? Contradicts the historical pattern, consistent, demonstrates demographic. No, this is not application. This is the situation is given here. Application question kya hota hai? The situations, 4 different situations will be given here. Hypothetical situations. But here, the situation is given up there in the question stem, and then there are 4 options. You have to just go and read the individual freedom wala portion and accordingly answer it. So again, this is inference and specific. So all the 4 questions are fabulous. All right, let's see how we can handle this passage. Like kitni reading chahiye iske liye. So we have got Lucar, we have got this specific, we have got this specific, we have got the main idea. Let's say this set is there in your test. Okay, exactly इसी तरह के questions. I would really and truly read minimum, like bare minimum from the passage, and then instead I would devote more time to my questions. 2 minutes per questions. मैं decide कर लूंगी 1 second के अंदर that I'm going to do all these questions. Passage तो अच्छा दिख रहा है मुझे, topic is good, so questions तो बहुत ही अच्छे हैं. So I'm going to do all the 4 from here. आगे दूसरे वाले में 2-2 3-3 कर लेंगे, लेकिन यहाँ आई एम गोइंग टू डू ऑल 4. ये इंस्टेंटली आपको डिसाइड करना होगा, फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी ऑफ थॉट होना चाहिए, ठीक है. एंड देन व्हाट वुड आई डिसाइड कि अच्छा ठीक है पैसेज पे कम टाइम दूंगी मैं, प्रॉबली 1 मिनट 1.5 मिनट टाइप्स, एंड इस पे क्वेश्चंस पे 2 मिनट्स. ऐसे 2 मिनट्स भी उतना जरूरी नहीं कि हर क्वेश्चन पे यहाँ 2 मिनट्स लगेगा. Okay, so basically such a passage with such a set with a little bit of good interpretation should take you not more than 8 minutes for 3 to 4 questions. 8 minutes is so good. 8 threes are 24. So 24, 20, 23, 24 minutes में 3 passages, सब में 4-4 नहीं करने हैं. कहीं से 2 किया आपने, कहीं से 3 किया. ये चूंकि मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है, I would do all 4. वो भी जरूरी नहीं है. 3 questions करने के बाद if I feel oh my god the fourth one is not working out, so I'm going to dump it. Okay? चलिए देखते हैं इसको read कैसे करेंगे हम. So this is the first para, right? On the screen you cannot write एग्जाम में, बट यहां मैं आपके फैसिलिटी के लिए लिख रही हूं. Abortion remains one of the most contentious. Contentious is what? Debatable. लड़ते हैं लोग उस पे, आर्ग्यू करते हैं बहुत ज्यादा. In the sphere of women's rights, provoking conflicts among feminist groups. Feminist groups का कहना होगा abortion का right होना चाहिए, right? And the patriarchal society, the right wing of the government, इनका कहना होगा नहीं, abortion is something you shouldn't go for abortion. Why? Because it's life given by God और ये वो. ठीक है. So conflicts among feminist groups, religious authorities, political actors across the globe, laws vary widely. हर country का अलग है. Okay, होगा ही definitely. But a growing consensus supports a woman's right to control her fertility as a basic human right. But so this portion is important, right? Basic human right की तरह a woman can go for abortion. This is what this says. Today, this is the most important point of this paragraph. Moreover, the last 2-3 lines of a paragraph of the first para are very important. They contain the main idea. Today, about 40% of the world's population lives in countries where abortion is permitted on request. So here he says, okay, it should be treated as a human right, and then he shows today what is happening. The world is becoming more relaxed on request, while another 25% live in countries where it is allowed to save the woman's life. Okay, only if it's like, something imperative for the woman's life, the woman who is going to bear the child, तब आपको allow कर दिया जाता है. Despite millions of legal abortions annually, illegal procedures remain widespread. So legal abortions are there. These are allowed by countries across the world. He has given you some data to support it. Still he says illegal procedures are widespread. They are commonplace. Now, I'll pause after the first para and I'll try to sum it up. Abortion, legal, illegal, feminists, religious groups, rights, women's ka like it should be fundamental right, basic right. Then today ka population, today ka data he has given. Okay, the world, the countries are allowing it. Still there are illegal procedures. होते हैं फिर भी. What is the author going to discuss in the rest of the passage? इतना तो समझ में आएगा ही कि हाँ लेकिन हिस्टोरिकली क्या होता था ये दिखा सकता है. इलीगल इसने ये बोला है ना, इलीगल प्रोसीजर्स. ये नेक्स्ट पैरा विल डिस्कस दिस. डिस्पाइट दिया है ना इसने, द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट लाइन इन दिस पैरा. डिस्पाइट दिस इलीगल प्रोसीजर्स रिमेन वाइड स्प्रेड. कैसे भाई, कैसे, क्यों भाई, क्यों? सो द नेक्स्ट पैरा इज गोइंग टू डेल्व इनटू दैट. फिर अगले पैरा में शायद हिस्टोरिकली दे सकता है, फिर वुमेन्स हेल्थ कैसे अफेक्ट करता है, इस तरह की चीजें दे सकता है. राइट, वी डोंट नो अभी क्या है. ओके, feminists see control over reproduction as central to the women's movement, arguing that men have historically defined and restricted. This paragraph is discussing patriarchal. Okay, और यहाँ बोला है control over reproductions. Okay, see control over this, arguing men have historically. Do you see? Historically पूरा दे रहा है. कैसे? Victorian era में, फला era में कैसे? How women have been controlled by men when it comes to reproduction. Okay, तो ये है, जबकि it's their body. Restricted women's reproductive choices. Patriarchal देख लिया मैंने, अब skim करेंगे. ठीक है, क्यों? क्योंकि the first 2 lines told me what this is about. This para is about the patriarchal issues and historically. Patriarchal, Islamic, okay, examples दिया. Governments, अच्छा, also treated abortion, okay, demographic, okay, all right. अच्छा, तो गवर्नमेंट का कैसा उसमें रहा कंट्रीब्यूशन, क्वेश्चन होगा, आ जाएंगे. 1900 क्वेश्चन पॉकेट हो सकता है. Abortion was banned, justifying physicians. Do you see how many points he has brought in here? But all connected to this main point. The main point is patriarchal, historically. ठीक है, तो उसके अंदर उसने पेट्रियार्कल बोला, इस्लामिस्ट वाला एग्जांपल दिया, रोमन कैथोलिसिज्म दिया, गवर्नमेंट्स का दिया उसने, इंग्लिश कॉमन लॉ, 1900 समथिंग कुछ हुआ, 19th सेंचुरी कुछ है, यूएस स्टेट्स, फिजिशियंस, डॉक्टर्स यूज द कैंपेन टू मार्जिनलाइज. ओके, मार्जिनलाइज मिडवाइव्स एंड ट्रेडिशनल हीलर्स. ये देख रहे हो, दिस इलीगल प्रोसीजर्स से कनेक्टेड. वाइल नेटिविस्ट फियर्स, आ जाएंगे इस पे. अभी उतना मत पढ़ो क्योंकि आपको उसके बाद उस पर बैठ के एस्से नहीं लिखना है. So if you're, मजे के लिए आप पढ़ रहे हो तो पढ़ो, एक एक चीज समझो, बहुत प्यारा पैसेज है. But then if you're trying to solve a passage in a limited amount of time, you can skim all this. दिल पे मत लो ज्यादा. ओके तो ये हो गया आपका, राइट, क्लियर है. द नेक्स्ट पैरा, दीज प्रोहिबिशंस. ओ, इससे पहले पैराग्राफ में तो प्रोहिबिशंस बोला है ना, ये टू मार्जिनलाइज, टू लिमिट मिडवाइव्स एंड ट्रेडिशनल हीलर्स. डॉक्टर्स ने कोशिश की टू लिमिट. ये कनेक्ट करते रहा करो बिटवीन द पैराग्राफ्स. आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस इज सो इंपॉर्टेंट. आपको पूरा मैप पता रहता है. marginalized midwives and traditional healers, nativist fears, okay. So ये देखो, restrictions to protect this हो गया. यहाँ पे उसी चीज को बोला, these prohibitions persisted in the US till the 20th century types ऐसा. Even in the 1960s. 1960s मतलब 20th century. 1900 something is 20th century. 2000 something is अभी जैसे हम हैं तो हम 21st century में हैं. ठीक है, get this clear. When drugs like, अब ये drugs की बात कर रहा है, इसमें कुछ नहीं पढ़ रही हूं मैं. पब्लिक हेल्थ क्राइसिस देख लिया, शिफ्टिंग एटीट्यूड्स, ओके. ड्रग्स, पब्लिक एटीट्यूड, शिफ्टिंग समथिंग. और ये यूएस का टिल द 20th अंटिल वेल इनटू द 20th सेंचुरी की बात कर रहा है. हो गया. 10 seconds में यू कैन गेट डन विद दिस पैरा. The contemporary debate, now he comes back to the modern thing, the contemporary debate, what is happening in the contemporary debate. Polarized between pro-life and pro-choice. Nice, that there can be a question, pro-life, pro-choice. Pro-life क्या बोलता है, प्रो चॉइस क्या बोलता है. ये देख रहा हूं मैं कैसे कर रही हूं. प्रो लाइफ, प्रो चॉइस. नेम इटसेल्फ सजेस्ट प्रो लाइफ, इट्स अ लाइफ गिवन बाय गॉड, रोक दो. प्रो चॉइस, नो नो, इट्स माय बॉडी, आई हैव द राइट टू डिसाइड वेदर आई वांट टू गिव बर्थ और नॉट, राइट. एडवोकेट्स काउंटर दैट वुमेन ओके शुड डिसाइड, गवर्नमेंट्स को नहीं करना है. दे आर्ग्यू, बस लीगल एक्सेस. नहीं पढ़ना है ये पैरा बिकॉज इस पे ये दोनों का डिफरेंस दिया हुआ है. देयर कैन बी अ क्वेश्चन, हाउ इज प्रो लाइफ डिफरेंट फ्रॉम प्रो चॉइस, ओके, और विच ऑफ द टू, कुछ भी ऐसा कुछ दे सकता है क्वेश्चन. देन वील कम बैक एंड रीड. अभी छोड़ दो. दिस इज कनेक्टेड टू व्हाट, दिस इज कनेक्टेड टू द डिबेट, द मेन आइडिया, राइट. देन सोशियोलॉजिस्ट क्रिस्टिन लूकर, देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन कनेक्टेड टू हिम. क्या मैं अभी पढ़ूंगी इसका पॉइंट डिटेल में? नहीं, तो भी नहीं पढ़ूंगी. आई एम जस्ट कीपिंग माई आईज एंड ईयर्स ओपन, कहां क्या क्या दिया हुआ है, एंड आई एम मूविंग अलोंग एफर्टलेसली. Kristen Luker in Abortion and This offers a deeper explanation for this divide. This divide? Which divide? अच्छा, इसमें जो दोनों का division, दोनों का difference दिया है. This is the divide, this is the difference, ये बोल रहा है author. Big divide है ना? Okay, ये है. Mapping देखा मैंने कैसे किया अभी? Just keep connecting. Okay, for this divide, based on decades of research and this, okay, she finds pro-life inhabit, okay. Pro-life women, ये लूकर का क्या पॉइंट है रिलेटेड टू दिस? देयर इज अ नाइस क्वेश्चन देयर. आती हूं मैं वापस. लूकर तो थोड़ा वेट कर ले. दिख गया मुझे क्या बोला है इसने. डीपर एक्सप्लेनेशन, शी इज जस्ट, शी ही होगी, क्रिस्टिन है. शी इज जस्ट ऑफरिंग एन एक्सप्लेनेशन फॉर दैट डिवाइड. तो इन्फरेंस यहीं से निकलेगा ना. आते हैं अभी, राइट. देन गो टू नेक्स्ट वन. लूकर कंक्लूड्स. सो लूकर के 2 पैराग्राफ्स हैं. एक्टिविज्म ऑन ईदर साइड रिफ्लेक्ट्स. एक्टिविज्म इज व्हाट, प्रोटेस्ट करना. reflects the concrete realities, their education, income. ये 6th पैरा है ना, लास्ट है शायद. हाँ, इसको पढ़ लूंगी मैं ध्यान से. Moreover, it's a short para. Concludes that activism on either side, pro-life, pro-choice, reflects the concrete realities of women's lives, their education, income, occupations, family structures. The abortion debate is thus more than a legal or medieval controversy. It's not only this. So what? Remember I gave you the technique, not only but also, not this but that. इधर वाला जो होता है, this is very very important. So here, thus more than a legal or this, or legal or medical controversy सिर्फ नहीं है. So what is it? Clash of worldviews, gender, sexuality, family and the meaning of motherhood itself. Done. मतलब this should really not take you more than 80 seconds. 70 to 80, 90 तक भी नहीं जाऊंगी मैं. Provided you do it the way I have shown you. इतना easy to understand passage है. It's a nice topic, right? And the flow is brilliant. You just have to keep mapping, जैसा मैंने आपको सिखाया, दिखाया अभी. Keep connecting between the paragraphs. All right? So that way you have the entire map with you. Now, after finishing it, maybe you can just quickly glance back. What is where? अच्छा, abortion ही issue है. And then okay, feminist का, अच्छा यहाँ इस पैरा में something something, इतना सारा points दिया है. Governments and physicians and patriarchal and all, ये देख लेंगे. इसमें US का है, is discussing US. Persisted well, okay. And then contemporary debate between these two बोला है. And then Luker के 2 paragraphs हैं, conclusion भी उसी का है. Done. I hope you get my point, guys. Again, if this doesn't suit you, you can go back to your traditional way of doing it, reading it word for word, if you can understand it like in a jiffy. See, my reading is pretty good. I mean, I have been doing it ever since I was 6 years old. Okay, I had a mini library of my own at home. So what I'm saying is I can read it in like maybe 30 seconds. I can go through the passage and understand everything, but I would not do it. Why? Because it's not needed for me to solve the questions. Okay, और मैं उसी तरह से आपको सिखाती हूँ जैसा मैं first I imagine that I am a student, how would I do it. I'm not saying that this passage is easy because I am an educator तो अच्छा मुझे easy लग रहा है. No, I always imagine myself to be in your shoes. And then I think, can a student do this? Yes, very easily. Can a student skim a little bit? Yes, very easily. Why? Because he doesn't need all that stuff for the questions. Questions तो मैंने पहले देख रखा है. Hope this is clear. Now, let's go over to the questions. I would love to start with this. Main idea, the central argument of the passage. Abortion is a global human rights issue shaped as much by politics and religion as by health concerns. Okay, okay. ये तो last line पूरा copy करके दिया है same, right? The legalization of abortion worldwide is inevitable as societies recognize women's right to bodily autonomy. Eliminated, inevitable is extreme. Religious traditions and medical professions have historically worked together to deny women control over production. Religious traditions and medical professions, second paragraph. So this is what we call narrow. Narrow usko kehte hain, which is connected only to one paragraph or one point that has been given there. All right. So this is eliminated. Easy elimination. Now 1 and D, A and D. In case you have your doubt कि ये ना same word for word कैसे दे दिया, I'll tell you something here. This is from some other source, not exact cat. Cat में आपको definitely ये sentence को ना rephrase करके देगा. मैं भी बनाती अगर ये तो मैं rephrase करके ही देती. So यहाँ पे ना it is a global human rights issue shaped as much by politics and all. इसमें कुछ synonyms वगैरह डाल दिए, थोड़ा सा complicate कर दिए शशि थरूर का language and दे दिए. Right? So यहाँ पे let's check what D says. Can we eliminate it? Abortion debates in the United States illustrate how demographic anxieties drive public policy more than moral concerns. Drive public policy. Okay? Demographic anxieties की वजह से public policy affect होती है, not because of moral concerns, more than. This is faulty comparison and this is again narrow. Moral concerns कहीं पर है, demographic कहीं पर है, but the main idea is debate. Okay, it's this, it's this, it's this, it's this. So, yeah, abortion debate is more than this. It's a clash of world views about gender, this. So, यहाँ पे आपको ये दिया है as a global human rights issue, right? According to the first para, shaped as much by politics, religion. Second para, health concerns reflecting deeper conflicts. Okay. Last का ये जो bit है ना, ये he has taken it from the question set has taken it from the last line, but there are points in this from the first para too. So yes, this is justified as your answer. Got it? So the main idea here was the debates around this thing, right to abortion wala, and how these are shaped and how these affect public policy. Okay, then next, the passage mentions the anti-abortion campaign's ties to immigration fears in the US. Right? Motivations behind early abortion restrictions. So you have to go back and look for anti-abortion campaigns ties to immigration fears. Okay, immigration is such an easy to spot word. Right? Now, पहला थॉट जो दिमाग में आता है कि इसमें तो इसने ये सब हिस्टोरिकली दिया है, फिजिशियंस एंड ऑल, इसमें इमिग्रेंट्स, ये है इमिग्रेंट्स. हो सकता है इमिग्रेंट्स है यहाँ पर, राइट? नेटिविस्ट फियर्स ऑफ इमिग्रेंट फर्टिलिटी. गॉट इट? और कहीं है देख लो आप, अगर दो जगह है तो दोनों जगह आपको पढ़ना पड़ेगा. इमिग्रेंट्स, इमिग्रेशन, नॉट एग्जैक्टली. तो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू नाउ इज आई एम गोइंग टू रीड दैट जोन एंड देन स्टार्ट एलिमिनेटिंग. इन केस आई एम स्टिल नॉट क्लियर, वापस आकर के फिर एक्स्ट्रा पढ़ूंगी. ठीक है? ओके, अब यहाँ पे देख लो, आप ध्यान से देखो कि ये कह क्या रहा है. इमिग्रेंट्स का डर जो था, या गवर्नमेंट का डर था रिगार्डिंग इमिग्रेंट्स. यहाँ I would read from here, 2 lines up and then 2 lines down, so I'll connect it with the next para too. By 1900, however, और ये para किस बारे में है? ये central arguing, okay, reproduction historically बता रहा है. By 1900, abortion was banned in most US states. Abortion नहीं करवाना है, you have to give birth, right? Justified by claims of protecting women's health and the sanctity of life, religious, women's health concern, okay? But this is the change of tone. Also serving professional and political aims. What? Physicians use the campaign to marginalize midwives and traditional healers. Traditional healers वगैरह को रोक दिया गया, कंट्रोल किया गया, उनको रेस्ट्रिक्ट किया गया. Why? किया उन लोगों ने. अच्छा, physicians use this campaign. Okay, जब बैन किया गया उन लोगों ने ये किया. Nativist, the people of that place, indigenous population, and also the government, of course, fears of immigrant fertility motivated restrictions to protect the demographic dominance of middle class Protestants. Means immigrants are you know, they will keep giving birth to many more and more children, like, okay, so unka population बढ़ जाएगा. What about our native people, you know, the local people, इनका if they keep going for abortions, illegal वाला types भी अगर करवाएंगे कुछ भी, our population will go down. So demography में, you know, disbalance हो जाएगा ऐसा types. And there is one important point here: demographic dominance of middle class Protestants. To protect this, that means Protestants, if you don't know the meaning of Protestants, wake up. CAT के लिए जरूरी है. Protestants and Catholics, two divisions of Christianity, two sects. So middle class Protestants, to protect the demographic dominance of this, so Protestants, that too middle class Protestants, were many. They were dominating the scene. So they wanted to preserve, they wanted to safeguard their own community. So they said, हाँ बैन करो अबॉर्शन, इनको ना बच्चे पैदा करने हैं, हमारी कम्युनिटी में बच्चे पैदा होना चाहिए, सो दैट वी कैन स्प्रेड फर्दर. अगर हमारा कम हो जाएगा तो हमारी तो जो क्लैन है, हमारी जो कम्युनिटी, वो तो छोटी हो जाएगी, राइट? यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस मच फ्रॉम हियर. ओके, नाउ यू गो बैक टू दिस. सो मेंशंस द एंटी अबॉर्शन कैंपेन टाइज टू इमिग्रेशन फियर्स इन द यूएस. Right? What can be inferred about the motivations behind early abortion restrictions? क्यों किया गया था restrict? They reflected genuine medical concerns. This doesn't go with the tone of the passage. Healthcare बोला है, healthcare and religious जो भी था वहां पर, for women's health that coincidentally aligned with need. देख रहे हो कितना लोचा है इसमें, झोलझाल. पहले तो genuine medical concerns, गलत tone. दूसरा, women's health that coincidentally aligned with nativist politics. और nativist politics का मुद्दा कुछ और था. उनको तो अपना प्रोटेस्टेंट फैलाना था, राइट? अपना क्लैन को फैलाना था. So it did not coincidentally align. So this is out. They were partly designed to preserve the cultural and demographic dominance of native born Protestant Americans. A good rephrasing from there. राइट? प्रोटेस्टेंट अमेरिकन को अपने आप को सिक्योर करना था, सेफगार्ड करना था अपनी कम्युनिटी को. सो दिस इज गुड. दे प्राइमरीली सॉट टू प्रोटेक्ट इमिग्रेंट वुमेन फ्रॉम अनसेफ अबॉर्शन प्रैक्टिसेस. ओ, ये जो इमिग्रेशन फियर्स, अर्ली अबॉर्शन रेस्ट्रिक्शंस, वर दे ट्राइंग टू प्रोटेक्ट इमिग्रेंट वुमेन? उनका तो कोई कंसर्न ही नहीं था फ्रॉम अनसेफ दिस. डेफिनेटली नॉट. वी डिड नॉट इन्फर दिस फ्रॉम देयर. पोर्शन आपका क्लियर है. They emerged mainly because immigrant families demanded stricter population controls to secure economic opportunities. Have they discussed economic opportunities over there? No. So this is out and this is good as your answer. This was a very nice pure inference question. वो आपको लास्ट के 2 लाइन में मिल रहा है. वो अगर आप समझ पाओगे तो आप मार्क कर पाओगे, वरना आप आके देखोगे अच्छा प्रोटेस्टेंट क्यों, वो तो ऐसे ही दिया है, अच्छा नहीं, ये तो ना विमेन्स का हेल्थ को सेफगार्ड करना था. Got it. Then question 3, Lucar's. Lucar's findings about the contrasting worldviews of pro-life and pro-choice activists suggest that. दोनों का division पे था, right? Findings about this contrasting ये. What did she conclude? So findings about this suggest that. Inference, right? I'll go back and I'll quickly check once. So Kristen Lucar यहाँ है. Okay, offers a deeper explanation. Now I'm going to read, तब मैंने छोड़ दिया था, आपको याद है. Based on decades of research and hundreds of this, she finds, very important, pro-life and pro-choice inhabit fundamentally different moral and social worlds. दुनिया अलग अलग है इनकी. Pro-life women embrace a traditional gender order. Men, okay, belong to the public sphere of work. Women belong to the private. They see children as ultimate beneficiaries. हमारा वंश आगे लेके जाएंगे. जितने बच्चे उतना अच्छा है, उतना earning members of the family, with mothers providing full-time cares and fathers offering protection. Pro-choice rejects separate spheres, viewing motherhood as a voluntary choice and family roles. Yeah. So अलग अलग है दोनों. This is what she said. We'll go back here. Suggest what? Abortion activism is less about the procedure itself than about competing moral frameworks around gender and family. Abortion activism, right? So pro-choice activists suggest that less about the procedure. ये दिख रहा है? It can be faulty comparison. Next, differences in abortion opinions stem largely from misinformation about, okay, do you see this? Stem largely means come out from. So misinformation about this is the cause and this is your effect. ये differences pro choice और pro life में इसलिए हो रहे हैं because there is misinformation about this. कहीं था ये. So out of scope, right? And this is wrong cause effect. So this is definitely a trap. इसमें भी है, इसमें भी है. But ये तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं था वहाँ range में. ये तो फिर भी if we infer, we can come up with this. This is out. Okay, then activists on both sides could reach compromise if economic incentives were equalized. Do you see this? Has she mentioned at all that activists can come to a compromise? वो तो बोला इनकी दुनिया ही अलग है उसने यही बोला है ना. So this is definitely out. Abortion debates would disappear. ये देख रहा हूँ. ये तो टोन है ही नहीं ना कि डिबेट्स खत्म होंगे. उसने कहा the debates are there. Governments refrain from using demographic goals to shape reproductive rights. Lucre के portion में here to here, has this been mentioned that these would disappear or these would reduce or they would come to a compromise? कुछ नहीं. ये तो last में यही कह रही है कि the abortion debate is more about this and not this, ऐसा, right? So this also gets eliminated and this is your answer. You get it? Abortion activism is, अब मान लो कि आपने इसको eliminate कर दिया था पहले faulty comparison सोच के, चारों eliminate हो जाएंगे, then you will have to recheck ना कि भाई चारों कैसे हो रहे हैं. Then you think ये तो दिया ही नहीं है रेंज में, चलो इसको दोबारा पढ़ते हैं. Abortion activism is less about the procedure, it's not about the medical thing, than about competing moral frameworks around gender and family. This whole paragraph is giving you that inference. Moral frameworks, okay, ये है. Activists inhabit different moral and social worlds. Social is family से related, moral is आपका obviously moral, ethical. So they inhabit different. Give me a moment, guys. Just hang in there. Sorry about that. Today there's nobody at home to answer the door, so I had to actually go. Okay, so we were discussing this. See, abortion activism is less about the procedure than about competing moral frameworks. Now, competing moral frameworks about gender and family. This is given here, right? Moral framework, family frameworks, right? And competing, bole to, they both have their different spheres. They cannot come together. They can't come to a compromise. So based on that paragraph, this is what we can infer. Got it? So this is your answer. Then the last one. मजेदार क्वेश्चंस है ना. अभी तक तो बहुत अच्छे से सॉल्व हो रहे हैं because they are connected to a particular point or a paragraph. What you require mainly is a little bit of inference. ठीक है? Suppose a country with declining birth rates. Okay. अभी based on the passage, situation तो इसने यहाँ दिया है ना. Suppose declining birth rate. Okay. Grants women greater abortion access. All right. तो birth rate उनका decline हो रहा है. And then furthermore it's giving abortion access. तो बर्थ रेट तो और वो होगा, राइट? अबॉर्शन एक्सेस citing individual freedom. Correct? So, based on the passage, which of the following would best explain such a move? I mean, even before I go down to the options, I'm thinking this way. By declining birth rate है, and still you are giving abortion access to women, saying तुम abortion करवा लो, तो that will kind of further lead to a decline in population. तो based on the second para, जो हमने अभी पढ़ा for another question, protestant वगैरह वाला, they didn't want a decline of their population, so they kind of banned abortion rights, if you remember that. अब इतना retention तो होना चाहिए, and sometimes क्या, in fact very often it happens कि दूसरे questions ना they help you with another question. So I have this in mind. Based on the passage, which of the following would best explain such a move? Okay, based on the passage, it contradicts the historical pattern where abortion access expanded mainly under population pressure concerns, okay, indicating a shift toward rights based policy making. Confusing laga? Rehne do usko. It is consistent with past trends as governments have always prioritized individual freedom over this. Do you realize what bullshit this is? Historically हमने वो पैराग्राफ देखा है. Always human freedom? No. Individual freedom? No way. Because patriarchal की बात की है उसने. It demonstrates that religious opposition no longer plays any significant role in shaping abortion policies. Really? No longer plays any significant. अभी लूकर ने, क्रिस्टियन लूकर ने बोला सेपरेट वर्ल्ड्स, रिलीजियस वालों का मॉरल वालों, सॉरी मॉरल और रिलीजियस एक हो गया, सोशल वालों का अलग वर्ल्ड, राइट? So this is eliminated. It shows that demographic anxieties, demographic is what? Related to population, are irrelevant in contemporary abortion debates. Are they irrelevant? Even if it says, it shows that demographic anxieties are low in contemporary debates, wrong. Demographic anxieties to hota hi hai, right? And the passage also says, so we are left with this. This is your answer, but why? It contradicts the historical pattern. We'll go and check history if you want. Abortion access. If as a woman, back in history, I had access to abortion, it expanded mainly under population pressure concerns, indicating a shift towards rights-based policy making. I'll take you back here. आपका यहाँ है ना historical वाला. Look here now. Arguing that men have historically defined patriarchal okay debates. Governments have also treated abortion rights okay. Expanding access, do you see this? When overpopulation was feared. जैसी बहुत बढ़ रही है population, दे दो सबको abortion rights दे दो, औरतें तो करवाएंगी abortion जा करके. Okay. So expanding access when overpopulation was feared, but withdrawing when birth rates fell. Your answer is connected to this point. राइट? सो कहां जाना है देखने के लिए वो आंसर ये भी क्लियर होना चाहिए. तो कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट्स द हिस्टोरिकल पैटर्न, राइट? अब आप यहां पे बोल रहे हो डिक्लाइनिंग बर्थ रेट है और दे दो अबॉर्शन एक्सेस. जस्ट नाउ व्हाट वी रेड सेड, डिक्लाइनिंग बर्थ रेट है, ओके, द बर्थ रेट इज गोइंग डाउन. कब दिया था गवर्नमेंट ने? व्हेन द बर्थ रेट वाज गोइंग अप, पॉपुलेशन एक्सप्लोजन हो रहा था, तो अबॉर्शन एक्सेस दिया गया. सो दिस इज ऑपोजिट दैट, राइट? So it contradicts the historical pattern. कहाँ? जहाँ ये था. Got it, guys? I hope all these questions are clear, and I hope you have understood how to solve passages. एक से नहीं होगा वैसे, ठीक है? You need to do more such sessions from the same playlist. 10 से 12 कर लो आप, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा seamlessly कैसे handle करते हैं RCs. All right. Thank you so much, guys. I'm going to see you again. Take care.